Hello everybody, today I will be teaching you about polymorphism and how to use it. What is polymorphism? It is a Greek word that means to have many forms. For example, food can also be identified as burgers, chicken, or pizza. And imagine this, we're going to have a race between a car, a bike, and a boat. In order to do that, we'll make an object for a car, a bike, and a boat. And to do that, we're gonna type in car equals new car, our bike equals new bike, and then our boat. And I want to use an array. I want to put these three in an array for our race later. So what data type should we use? Let's try using the car data type, for example. Typing this and then square brackets for our array and the name of our array, which is vehicles. And inside of this, we put in the values that we need for our race, which is the car, our bike, and our boat. But as you can see here, it's saying that you cannot implicitly convert bike into a car. So because the car identifies as a car and a bike identifies as a bike, and so does the boat. So in order to bypass this, we need to find something in common between a car, a bike, and a boat. And something in common between those three is that they are all vehicles. They all inherit from the parent class, which is the vehicle class. That's why once we type in vehicles, this should work properly. Vehicle, because they are all vehicles and they can also identify as their own. So I want to call each one of these for our race later. And for that, we're gonna be using a for each loop. We're gonna be typing our variable or data type. I mean our data type, and then which is the vehicle, and then what we want to call these. So vehicle in the name of our array. So vehicles. And inside of this, but first, let's make a method for each of these cars. So let's type public void move. And inside of this, I want to say that the car is moving. We can also do the same for each of these. The bike is moving and the boat is moving. And then we will be calling the method of each of these vehicles. So in order to do that, we're going to type in vehicle dot move. However, it's showing that there is no accessible extension because we also have to put in a move method over in our parent class, which will be overridden by our child classes. So let's type in a move, also a method over here called public void move, or just move. We need to make it virtual so that we can override these. There we go. Public override move, and do the same for these. Once that once that is done, we should be able to see that this now works. And once we start to run this, we should be able to see that the race started. So we press start or just press Ctrl F5, and there we go. So yeah, that is polymorphism, and objects can be identified by more than one type. And in this example, we created an array of vehicles. So a car identifies as a car, but it also identifies as a vehicle. The same goes for a bike and a boat. And in this for each loop, as as we iterate over each vehicle, they will all use their move methods at the same time, such as that. And that, everybody, is polymorphism. Thank you.